Good morning, YouTube friends, and welcome back to Woodbury Cottage. And this past week, today is Christmas Eve, and this past week I was watching a video from a friend of ours that has a video channel, him and his family, and the name of their channel is The Homesteading Pastor, Lon and Robbie. They do lives once a week, and they share a lot about their homestead. If you're into homesteading, if you're into devotions and things like that, go to their site and subscribe. You'll love it. But this week he did a video on being the women folk being a little more secure. And it really hit home to me. I'm always trying to be secure and be safe, but he talked about some things that I didn't consider and I have been implementing. And trying to, today I'm going to talk to my family about it when we gather to the women there and tell them to also be on guard. But last night, sometimes you have those days where you just organize everything. You just start organizing and you can't stop. So last night I was organizing my keychain. And I'm going to share that with you, okay? And tell you how it fits in with what Lon inspired me, okay? Here we go. Hey, homesteading pastor. All right, so here is my keychain. All of this was on my keychain. See, can I get you a little bit closer? Look at that. All of that was on my keychain. Now, if I had to get in my car in a hurry, I think I'm going to be in some trouble. So what I did is I started looking through it. And I got Russell to help me because, of course, I didn't even know what. All right, all these keys right here, I don't even know what they're for. I do not know what all them keys are for. But I'm not going to throw them away until I get to missing a key. Then I'll know what it was for. And these little grocery store tags, I'm not keeping these on my keychain anymore either. I'm just going to put them in my wallet. Okay, so all of that came off my keychain. Stuff I didn't know. Then, I've got this set of keys. This is for 2 different vehicles that we are not driving right now. And we're going to sell them at the first of the year. That was on my keychain. So that's coming off because I probably will not be driving those 2 vehicles anymore anyway. And so that left me down to this, which is still a lot, but that's the vehicles that I'm going to be driving. And I don't know if you're like this or not, but I cannot read without my glasses on. And I don't really know which one of these keys go to which vehicle without my glasses on. So I'm thinking, if I'm in a situation, I need to get in my car, I don't have my glasses on, I'm going to be fumbling trying to find the right key. I'll find it, but I'm going to be fumbling. So, got the trustworthy masking tape. And I'm going to get a better solution than masking tape because I know this won't last long, but it's okay for right now. I got the masking tape, a Sharpie, my scissors, and I put a V for the van, just a little marker for the Kia, and a K on the fob for the Kia. I don't have a fob for the van. And an RT on the fob for the red truck and the key for the red truck. And then the only other 2 keys on there are, I know what those are for because they're different. See, they're very different. I know what those are for. And I don't have to get into these in an emergency. So I'm not going to mark those 2. Now you might say, well, what if somebody steals your pocketbook or your keys, or, they're going to know what goes to what. Well, as long as they're not hurting me and my family, I can get another vehicle. This is for my protection when I have my children with me, or, somebody that's with me. This is for my protection, not for my car protection. We got things for that. So, all right. Ladies and men, If you got a 2-pound keychain, I want you to clean it off and get a better solution. Plus, they say that heavy keychain is not good for your ignition. I don't know if it's true or not, but anyway. Thank you, Pastor Lon, for inspiring us to be safe. And I want y'all to go check out his channel and subscribe to it. Do it today, because today is Christmas Eve, and he's got the best video of his son reading the Christmas story. And I want y'all to check it out. Tell him Angie sent you. Bye.